Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Rainbow Six Siege login failed and the R6 synchronization failed error. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, a lot of times this particular error happens because Ubisoft Connect is bugged or stuck in an old login session. So first you need to completely close your Rainbow Six Siege game. After that you need to close your Ubisoft Connect account as well. Once you have done that on your PC or laptop, simply right click on the taskbar, then click on the option of Task Manager. So once you have opened Task Manager in front of you just like so, you just have to make sure that you are in the Preferences tab. After that, from the given programs, you just have to right click on the Ubisoft Connect, then simply click on the option of End the task. So once this step is done, you can restart your PC once if you want. Else, you can just right click on the Ubisoft Connect launcher, then you need to run it as an administrator. So once this step is done, simply just come back here on Ubisoft, then log in into your account again. Now you can launch the game and wait for a few seconds on the main screen so that it can sync properly. Now, if you are using any of the VPNs or proxies or custom DNS or any of the internet booster, you just have to make sure that you turn them off. These can block Ubisoft login servers. Now, you need to switch your internet once and move from Wi-Fi to the mobile hotspot. Then you can restart your router. This forces a fresh route to the Ubisoft servers and also fixes many of the login failed problems instantly. Now you can open your Ubisoft Connect account. Here you need to go to the Rainbow Six Siege. Then you need to look for the option of verify or repair the files. If cloud or the local files are corrupted, this replaces the broken files. Also in Ubisoft Connect settings, you can find the option of cloud sync. When you are able to find it, simply turn it off. Then you need to restart your Ubisoft Connect account, then turn it on again. So this particular step is going to refresh the cloud connection. So with the help of these few methods, you will be able to easily fix the Rainbow Six Siege login failed and synchronization failed. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and also comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.